I have this Black & Decker attachment for my weed eater to take out blackberries, and it works amazingly. So I'm trying to change this, and it is just, you can see the thread is spinning in there with it. So I was looking for actually a small nut in there, but really what it is it's right here. There's like a little hole there, and if you look inside of here, you're gonna find there's another little hole, and right there, you see that right there? So you line that up here, and now I gotta find a bar or maybe an Allen wrench or something to get it in there. We're gonna try the nail first, because that seems easiest. There's our hole there. See if we can line that thing up here. Okay, perfect. All right, let's put some gloves on, because I do not want to slice my finger on this blade. Safety first, right? That's tighter, so I guess probably on something like, sometimes on fans and probably on this, you have to spin it the opposite way to loosen it up. Pieces. This. All right. I had to go back and review how it was on there. Probably should have cleaned this up while I was off of there. Let's give it a test.